I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After temperatures move very little this afternoon behind a cold front, our lows tonight in the teens and a slight breeze result in wind chills just above and below zero for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, our coldest day of the next week. High pressure building south from Canada reinforces the cold air with slightly cooler than normal highs in the 30s. There is a slight chance of light freezing rain or snow in west and central Nebraska tomorrow night as the disturbance tracks to the east. Travel could be impacted Wednesday morning by freezing rain in eastern areas of Nebraska and Kansas or to the east of Highway 281. Highs are mostly in the upper 30s to the mid 40s for Wednesday through the weekend. The exception, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas, where highs are in the upper 40s to the low 60s. There's another slight chance of snow showers for Nebraska on Saturday, possibly with light accumulations. The colder air lasts through the long-term forecast. Colder than the normal temperatures are predicted for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through February 16th. That higher chance of colder air the middle of next week through the 16th. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation this weekend through February 16th indicated to be above normal. Key weather factors impacting the markets include La Nina finally making its presence known in the U.S., dissipating rain in central Brazil, and a chance of rain for the driest areas of Argentina. A typical La Nina usually results in colder conditions across the northern plains while it remains warm across the southern U.S. Precipitation during La Nina favors the Pacific Northwest and the Ohio Valley, while areas farther south are drier. The rest of this week, colder air is confined to the northern U.S., while warmer than normal temperatures, frequently topping 80, dominate the south. Multiple disturbances track eastward along the sharp difference in temperatures, leading to widespread precipitation. Mid to late week precipitation, snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain could total an inch or more from the Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic. Mostly dry weather prevails the rest of this week across the southern U.S., along with the central and southern plains. Precipitation moves through the U.S. this weekend, but there are uncertainties with how much. Another chance of precipitation the early to mid part of next week should favor the south. Colder air also pushes farther south for next week. In central Brazil, very heavy rain this past weekend further delayed soybean harvest and planting of second crop corn. Even though the rain decreases this week across central Brazil, the lingering rain could lengthen delays. Argentina, that was hot and dry over the weekend, expects chances of heavier rain in southern areas through Wednesday. The rains, the best chance over the last several weeks in Argentina, helping to stabilize crop conditions but not reverse the decline. Argentina turns dry late this week and weekend, and rain chances next week are still uncertain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.